Hi guys, so I'm doing this review for this Vayana Lightning USB-C to Lightning cable charger. So this has been a wonderful buy of mine from the Amazon website. I bought it for around 350 rupees. But the main advantage of this cable is its length. It's 2 meters length and you can take it anywhere, and it's also braided, so you won't find a better cable than this at this price point. As well as it's charging very quickly, so it's charging very fast. I think it supports all kinds of specifications like power delivery use 3.0 or something, so I'm not particularly sure on that, but it has been charging my iPhone very quickly, so I totally recommend this. And a big thumbs up for this product from Vayana. Thanks.